All right, guys, so I'm in a 2006 Dodge Ram 1500, and this video is to show you how to remove this cigarette lighter housing. All right, so if I flip this over, you can see that it's a cigarette lighter housing. Okay, now to get this out, all you have to do is press down on this. So you press, just put your weight on it, press down on it, just like that, and then you can see right here it has this little slot right here. You have to turn that part to that slot. All right, but you can only do that when you press it down. So if we can see, I'm turning it. See right here, I'm turning it towards this slot right there. Right now, watch this. See that? So that little slot right there, you have to turn, where is it? This part right here towards it. Okay, but you have to push this out first. Push it out, you know, give it a little push. It'll push through just a little bit, then you turn it and push it all the way out, and that's it. That's how you get it out, to put it in a different bezel. All right, this is J.O.A.T.D, and I'm out. Hey guys, and if you're into graphic tees, hoodies, or sweatshirts, check out my store. All you have to do is click on the store tab in my YouTube. This is J.O.A.T.D, and I'm out.